Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Tradex Pro binary trading plus bot trading website. Viewers, if you also want to make the binary trading website like Quotex or any other binary trading platform, then you are on the right video. In this video I'm gonna completely make this website. So this is the Tradex Pro latest version script, and in this video I'm gonna guide you completely about this. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna completely show you how this works, how you can completely control this website from admin panel, and how you can make this. So first of all, here you can look at its amazing login page. So this is the Tradex Pro login page. By entering your details you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can click on sign up now, and by filling these simple details you can easily sign up on the website. Now here I'll enter my username in order to sign into my user account. You can sign in with username or email, it completely depends on you. So here you have to enter your password in second field. After entering these details, just click on sign in and you will log into your account. So here you can see that we have successfully logged in. So now we are logged in. First of all, you can see your amazing look of this website. Here you can change the name, etc. Everything is changeable from the admin panel. Its look is completely like Binance. You can see how amazing its look is. It's very amazing look, and it looks like the clone of Binance. So it is a completely premium website, completely new in market. Viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us if you want to buy the script, or if you want us to build the complete this binary trading amazing website for you. We will build that for you. And let me tell you viewers, this will work on normal cPanel. You don't need VPS hosting to install the script. It will completely easily work on the cPanel, and at the end of this video I'm gonna completely install this on my hosting server, so you can see how we can easily install this. Here you can see total main balance. Here you can see the complete crypto prices over here. Here you can see top gainers. Here you can see the top losers. And this is how the chart for technical analysis. You can do your technical analysis over here, and here you can see there is a deposit option and customer care and notification option. So let's go to market option. In markets you can see all the markets and all coin pairs, their prices, all coins, gainers and losers, etc. You can view them over here. And here's a trade option. So viewers, here you can see it has a complete chart, and basically it's a binary trading website. So here you can do your binary trading. You can place a trade. First of all, you have to select the time. So you can select the time for 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute trade. So I will place 1 minute trade, and here you can select up or down. So before placing the trade, let me tell you viewers, here I will enter amount. Let me tell you, you can completely control the win loss of users from admin panel. So you can set any number of win or loss for user, and you can completely manage this website win loss for each trade of user. So you can completely control the win and lose, and also you can set the amount for every trading pair you want. So, and in every trading pair user want to trade, so user can select trading pair. From here go to market, and from here user can select any trading pair on which user want to trade. So here user can select the trading pair, any trading pair user want to select, user can select it. So here currently I have changed trading pair to BTC. So here if I want to place 1 minute trade, I'll enter the amount, and for example I want to place on down. So you can see our trade has opened successfully. In orders you can see all your open orders and existing orders. So you can see that time is running 54 second, 53. After this time our trade will be completed, and from here same you can see the last trade was win, which was $2 win. Here you can see all completed and running trades. So after that here trade completes, and profit or loss will be added to our account. So you can see the open trade time and close trade price over here. You can see those things out over here in this section. Similarly, this is a wallet option. So here currently our trade is placed. So here you can see there's a deposit, withdraw, transfer option. So when I click on deposit, I can deposit money on the website. So here you can see there are different multiple gateways. You can set these gateways for deposit from admin panel. Here is a USDT gateway. So here is the address, copy address, pay on it, and after payment here select your payment amount, and here enter your transaction ID, and when you click on submit deposit request, your deposit request will be sent it to admin. So you can see how amazing its look is, and when admin will approve your request, the money will be added to your account. So here, this is how you can see all your different transaction, deposit logs, etc. over here in this section. Same is for withdraw. Here you can see all the withdrawal methods, so you can set any withdrawal method from admin panel. Similarly, user can send withdrawal request and user can withdraw its money. Here is transfer option, so user can transfer its balance using pay ID from one account to another on the same website. So here is a bot trading option as well, so user can do the bot trading from here. Basically, you can set the profit and loss for bot trading, and here you can user can click on start trading using bot trading. Here select the token and enter the amount, and you can easily place the trade, and after 24 hours your bot profit will be added, and you can see all your bot profit details, etc. over here. Here's the token page. You can launch your own token, check in, you can check rewards. Here are some settings options. You can set profile, change password, you can set withdrawal pin, help and support, read privacy portal, and about us section. So basically you can update these things up from admin panel, and here same all the crypto prices, and user can download your app as well from here. So this was all about the user panel of this website. I hope you like this video. Before moving towards the admin panel part, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And viewers, now I will go to my admin panel of this website, and I will show you how you can completely manage this website from the admin panel. Now let's go and let's visit its admin panel. So in order to visit this admin panel, what you have to do is you have to just simply copy this link from here. I'll open my new tab, and viewers, here you have to type your admin URL, and here you can see this is our admin login page. Now here we have to enter our admin username, and here we have to enter our admin password so we can log into the amazing admin panel of this website. Click on login now. So viewers, you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. Basically, you can use it on laptop, mobile phone. It's very easy to use and easy to manage. And here you can see total users, total pending deposit requests or withdrawal requests. When they will come, they will appear over here, and you can approve them. Total transaction, deposit, pending withdrawal, deposits, etc. Everything you can see it over here. And here you can approve or reject the deposit request of user. So this is a deposit request. You can approve it or reject it from here. Similarly, you can see all pending active deposit requests over here. Here you can manage all the users. So you can see all the users over here. You can go to details. You can add, subtract balance to their accounts. You can change their names, details, update their information, passwords from here. So you can manage all the users similarly, same like this. And here this is the referral setting. You can set up referral bonus on deposit and trading referral bonus. You can set them up from here. Here is manage coins. Viewers, you can see all different coins that are here on your website, and viewers, you can edit them as well. So you can set their deposit bonus. So for example, not deposit bonus, trading bonus. So when user will trade on that coin, if user will win, user will get this amount. So percentage amount. So it will be a percentage amount. So it will 3% on USDT. If user bet $100, he will get $3 if he win, and if he lose, he will lose $3. So this is how it will work, and you can place the images, etc. as well. So here this is a profit or loss. You can set it in profit or you can set it in loss. So it will completely depends on you how you will set it. If you want to add a new coin by filling these simple details, you can upload a new coin as well. From here you can add your own coin. So here are deposit methods. So these are all the deposit methods on the website that are already there. You can edit them. Now if you want to add a new deposit method by filling these simple details, you can add a deposit method on this website. Similarly, here you can see all your deposit logs as well. And here's a withdrawal method option. So these are all the old withdrawal methods, and if you want to add new one, just click on this and you can easily add a new withdrawal method to your website. Similarly, a withdrawal request, when someone requests a withdrawal, it will the request will come here and you can approve it or reject it. Here you can see all the transaction, you can see transfer log. Here are site settings, you can update the site name, you can change it to any name, you can change the currency of website, symbol, sign up bonus you can give to user, you can update crypto API, bot trading profit, and you can set up from here, and bonus on different holidays you can set them up from here. So here you can set up your Telegram links and WhatsApp link, etc., and here you can log out. So this was all about its admin panel, viewers. I hope you liked the video, and viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can freely contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. And if you need any detail, or if you need any other type of website, PTC website, hype investment website, we can build any website for you. You can visit our channel as well, and if you need any type of website, or if you need any detail about this site, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Both Telegram and WhatsApp links are in description. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.